Today we will be learning about Einstein's contribution to physics, and to do this we will focus on the theory of special relativity. Firstly, two postulates must be understood. The first being that the speed of light is constant. No matter who the observer is, how fast they are travelling, or in what direction they are travelling in, they will always observe the speed of light to be the same. The second postulate is the inertial frame of reference. This occurs when an object or objects move with a constant velocity in the same direction. Within an inertial frame of reference, all laws of physics apply, which means no experiments can be conducted within the frame to prove it's in motion. According to Newton, time is an absolute quantity. However, through Einstein's theory of relativity, we know this is not the case. By using the formula speed equals distance over time, and the fact that the speed of light is constant, if the distance measured changes for different observers, then the time must change with it. For example, if a car is travelling at high speeds next to a mirror and the car aims a beam of light at the mirror, the observer inside the car will see the light travelling at this path. However, an outside observer will see the light take this path. The distance for the outsider was greater, therefore the time taken must also have been greater. This shows that time is not absolute. When an event occurs in one rest frame, the time measured within the frame is called their proper time. The length measured within the frame is called its proper length, and the mass of the object measured within the frame is called its rest mass. If these measurements are taken from an outside rest frame, the time taken will increase, the length of the object will decrease, the mass of the object will increase. From this theory of special relativity, Einstein derived the equation E equals mc squared. The theory of special relativity has led to major technological developments. 24 GPS satellites orbit the Earth at a low Earth orbit, so 4 satellites are in direct view of any place on Earth at all times. This is done by a radio signal being sent from the device on Earth to 4 satellites, which work together to pinpoint your location on Earth. The place where the 3 satellites overlap is your location, and the 4th satellite calculates altitude. Inside each satellite there is an atomic clock which calculates what time the signal arrived at the satellite and how long it took to get back to the device, allowing the distance to be calculated. But because the satellites are travelling at such great speeds compared to the GPS devices on Earth, the atomic clocks run faster due to special relativity. Therefore, calculations are done to synchronize the atomic clocks with those on Earth. If these discrepancies weren't fixed, each satellite's clock would be 38 more microseconds ahead of the clocks on Earth each day, which would quickly lead to very inaccurate readings, resulting in the GPS systems being useless. GPS has helped society in many ways, from showing you how to get to your destination, to army and naval operations, to assisting in research on geographical features of the Earth. Its wide range of uses makes it very advantageous to society. E equals mc squared shows that a small amount of mass can release a large amount of energy, as c stands for the speed of light. This led to the development of nuclear bombs, as when atoms are split, vast amounts of energy are released, causing mass destruction. This image exemplifies the horrible impact nuclear bombs have had on society. A future application of special relativity is time travel. Theoretically, if it were possible to travel at the speed of light, time would stop, and if this speed was overcome, time would go backwards. However, this is impossible. One day, our technology might be so advanced that we may be able to travel speeds that are close to the speed of light, resulting in time slowing down, which technically is time travel, as everyone who is travelling not at the speed of light will age faster. That is so far in the future that the impact it will have is completely unknown.